you can now visualize your AI agents at work directly inside of VS Code. It's crazy. Here we go. We've got two sessions on the right hand side here, and if we go on, we can see that we have different agents here working. So this one's running this command, idle. That one's running a subtask. This one's running another task. You can see they're all running stuff, and I can actually visualize how many workers I have, which is so cool, and it's an amazing advancement. I'll show you how we can actually install this and leverage it. It's so simple. It'll take you like 2 minutes. But basically, the solution that it does solve for anybody wondering, like really, is it opens up new sessions of Claude, and then basically you have a new session is a new avatar or a pixel agent, it's called, for each one. They currently don't really support sub agents, so like inside of sessions, but sometimes I've noticed that it actually does. It just says that it doesn't, because that one's a subtask. But anyway, so I'm going to show you how we can do this and set it up. It's so simple. So if you open up VS Code and make sure that you get a new terminal up, so we have one down the bottom here. On the left hand side, if you go to extensions and just simply search Pixel Agents. Now it'll probably be this first one that comes up here, Pixel Agents. You can verify it by making sure it's the right one on Marketplace. So it's opened up this link for me here. Make sure it's this one here. And now all you have to do is click install, and that's literally it. Then I'll just show you how to move the screen to make sure it works, but that's literally all you have to do. Now you can read through here and see you can change different characters, you can change the layout, I'll show you that in a moment, etc. But there also are some known limitations which you can come and read. Windows only testing, so if you're like me on a Mac, fingers crossed it still works. And then they have a roadmap for other stuff, including Claude Agent Teams, like I was saying. But anyway, so we have here up and running. What do we do now? So to actually get it, like to see what it's doing, all we have to do is the terminal down at the bottom, we have this Pixel Agents option. So you can now see that you have your little Pixel Agents here. Now, you could work from here, but it's not very good view. So we can actually move Pixel Agents over here. Then we can open this up. Boom. And now you can see we have one agent who is idle. And if I've just clicked on that agent, and there you can see here that it's opened up this Claude session, which I already had running. Now I'll delete these other terminals. There we go. To add some agents, all we have to do is click plus agent, and boom, one opens up here. You can see a new terminal over here. Now to see both of these at the same time, simply move that up, and there you go. You can now see both of them and get them both to work at the same time, and it will tell you when they're actually working, which is so cool. And the power of this, honestly, is that normally I have a bunch open, like here's 2, but I normally have sometimes up to like 6 in my computer. I can literally hear it trying to take off like an aeroplane. So now we can actually see what we have instead of just accidentally having a million Claude sessions open, which is very nice. So in here as well, you can go to the layout, you can change stuff. So you have this, however many this is here, but you have all of this space, and you can update the spaces like this, you know. There we go. There's some flooring. We can add some walls. There's some walls. And then we can even add furniture, add tech. So there we go. There's a big computer. Bam, 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 bam. And if you don't like it, you can undo, redo, save it, or reset it. And of course, you can then export or import these layouts as well. And you can open the sessions folder. So this is for the Claude sessions that's open currently. And it is literally that simple. That's all you have to do. So go check it out. Tell me how you get on. I think honestly it's an amazing advancement. I use Terminal always, and even I'm pretty happy this is now, you know, working, because when I'm trying to keep like 10 different apps, like literally 4 apps at once, and I'll be trying to go back and forth, I'll forget what's going on. Whereas from here now, I'll know exactly what's going on. And quick side note, we're relaunching our school community, Build with Luke, where you can ship your first real AI tool using Claude Code. I have a whole Claude Code masterclass with things like this in it, and you'll hear about them first on school. A whole 2.5 hours build and ship your SaaS, daily build logs from me building my current SaaS, Claude skills, web design prompts, everything you need to go from literally zero to building and shipping your first SaaS using Claude Code. And of course, I'll be here to help other people in the community. And right now, you're going to get it at a reduced rate because this is kind of pre-launch. This is why this is at the end of the video and not a mid-roll. And it's only $7 a month. So get in and I'll see you on the other side.